Hey guys, today I am working with a pretty cool commercial quality true cooler. I don't typically do the commercial stuff, but this one's pretty cool. I couldn't pass it up once it was offered to me to kind of go through it, make sure everything works perfect on it, which it does, which is what this video is for, is here to show you. It's got this stainless steel accents to it, which is in excellent shape. Gone through and cleaned it inside and out. The top there, see all the sides and everything look great. The top is blank, so you can put whatever type of branding or anything you want like that on top. Otherwise you can just leave it black and blank. It looks pretty cool. It's got the grate down there, and of course all the electrical components are behind that. And then on the inside, before I go fanning the doors here and showing that to you, I've got the thermostat there. Now this unit is going to stay between 33 and 38 degrees. That's how this operates. So all the details from the manufacturer's website I've got up listed in the post, so go check out the post, the description. However you got to this link, however you got to this video, should have been from a sales ad, so read through that description. I listed all the products and features from the manufacturer's descriptions in there, so it's going to tell you exactly how the system works and what kind of features and all that stuff that it has. What I can tell you is that it's pretty awesome. Self-closing doors here, so you don't ever have to worry about a door being left open, and all that works perfectly. Tons of space. This thing has tons of space in it. These shelves are adjustable. You can pull these little silver guys out and adjust these shelves however you want them to be used. You see there, it's nice and clean. Got it all cleaned out. Same thing on this side. I'll have a picture of this in the ad, but if you want to pause it, you can read through all that if you want to. Otherwise, you can see you got the circulation fans up top. Now the controls for this up here, if you can see that, you can actually turn these LED lights on and off. So if you for some reason have a reason for them to be off, maybe at nighttime, you can click them off or you can leave them on. Turn those back on. Nope. For this video, we're going to leave them on. The control up there also controls turning the compressor on and off. That's what that knob was for. That's pretty much it. There's not much else to say about it. It's about 6.5 foot tall. I think it's 78 and 5/8 inches tall. The rest, the depth and all that, you can check those dimensions in the ad. But I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.